Chat apps are more essential than ever these days, whether you're just shooting some basic texts back and forth or hosting hour-long video calls for work, school, or with a bunch of your friends. Hangouts has been around for nearly a decade now, and though Google keeps threatening to send it to the graveyard, it's managed to stick around, recently repositioned as a business suite built into Google Meet and Google Chat. While Hangouts will eventually be succeeded by those apps, it's still around today, and millions of users rely on it to share their messages with friends and family around the world. Unfortunately, the standard version of Google Hangouts hasn't been updated with new features recently, and that makes relying on the app to communicate a bit more difficult. For instance, you can't delete a single message from a chat thread in Google Hangouts, no matter what you try. Chat threads, however, can be deleted, just by tapping the menu icon next to each thread on the Hangouts website. But unfortunately, it seems like Hangouts will never get the option to add support for deleting messages. Okay, but what about Google Chat? Although it's only available to G Suite users right now, Google announced in October of 2020 that the app will eventually roll out to all Google users, just as Google Meet did earlier this year. Chat is the natural evolution of Hangouts, and an obvious replacement for anyone who is used to opening the Hangouts app to communicate. Google Chat also adds support for deleting messages. On the web client, just hover your cursor over the message you sent, then click the trash can icon that appears above the message. On iOS and Android, just tap and hold on the message you want to delete, then select Delete from the menu. If you liked this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering all of Google's messaging apps, and also other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.